Here it is, August 12, 2023, a Saturday. I'm down here at the Civic Center. They're having a movie night tonight. They have the little fountains going down here for the first time that I've ever seen them. I'll trip over from there. They got the little misters going back up here. And then they'll have these little fountain jets shooting up. Kids can come play in them. So this is the first time I've seen these operating. Yeah, kind of shooting way up there. Kids are getting a kick out of these things. Got these going. See there, the misters back up here. So this is running for the first time I've ever seen it down here. Kids able to come and play. I'm shooting this handheld on my iPhone 11 Pro Max with FiLMiC Pro tonight. You can see here the sign they have set up. I think they're showing the Mario Brothers movie tonight. So we'll walk on down through here and see what the movie night looks like. See what the attendance is down here. This is the first movie night I believe that they've had down here that I'm aware of. So again, see the kids playing back out here in the fountain going off. So that's pretty cool for the kids. Kind of a neat little thing down here. The young kids can get out here and play in the water, having a good time. Let's walk on back down this way. Got it set up for the movie night down here. I thought they were going to have some food trucks, but I don't really see any food trucks. Kids back over here in the playground, enjoying the playground. So kind of coming into its own down here tonight. People all set up on the hillside over here. Looks like they got some games set up for people to play. So that's not a very big screen, but this will be the movie night tonight. A lot of young people down here. Of course, the movie is Mario Brothers movie, so that's something that caters to young people. Just going up here, do a little bit more. So we got a crowd set up down here. Everybody's getting ready for the movie tonight. So those are pretty cool. I'm shooting just a little bit of this tonight. The movie should be starting after sunset, which the sun is set by now, I think. So let me stop this here and maybe I'll shoot just a little bit more. Alright. Right here I am down by the lagoon now. You can see here the uplighting is on in the evening. They're utilizing the uplighting here to light up the Don Quixote statue and the fountain there. And the lights are on the other side also. So this is looking nice in the evening here. Everything's working, I think. And waiting for some people to get out of my way here. Just gonna move on around and see there's still kids playing back over there in the fountains. I don't know if those are on timers or how that operates, but somebody's doing something down there. Back over here, let's check out the fountain on the other side of the lagoon. See, here's another view of the fountains. It looks like Actually, the lighting is changing colors too. As you can see there, the light's going from blue to white. So maybe those are LED controlled lights there that can also be controlled and do different lighting effects. So that's pretty cool. Not just your normal white lighting. And back over here, we can see the uplighting is on here. So, but tonight the lighting is being utilized at its full potential. And you can see the lights change colors there. So very cool. Very nice. Another shot of this side of the lagoon. So I think I'll stop this here and I may shoot just a little bit more before I take off here. Alright. Taking a minute just to shoot this. Back to the west, there's a large fire that broke out in Phoenix, back over across the way there. I'm not sure what it happened just recently that it went off. And it was quite a large plume of smoke, as you can see there. I thought it was a storm cloud at first, but then you could tell it was coming up from the ground. I looked on the internet and the news, and it indicated that there was a large fire. The news didn't know what the actual source of the fire was, but they had closed Interstate 60 or Road 60 through Phoenix in both directions. So somehow that fire is impacting Highway 60 back over there some way or another. So that's a very dire looking situation there. Maybe when I get home I'll find a little blurb on it that I can add to this, but significant fire back over to the west side of town or downtown somewhere there. Alright. Alright, here I am down at the East Pole. I'm going to shoot just a little bit of this beginning of the movie. They're starting the Super Mario Brother movie. It's just started now. Everybody's gathered down here to watch the movie tonight. So, using my telescopic lens here to get a little bit better, closer view of the action. Everybody's brought their folding chairs, kicked out on the hillside here. Beautiful night to watch a movie here. Well, this is one of the things the Parks and Recreation Department does every once in a while, have a movie night down at the Civic Center so people can come and enjoy this beautiful evening tonight. Monsoon held off luckily, so it's just a perfect evening to be out here, kick back on this little hillside, watching the Super Mario Brothers with your kids. Alright. To cut this short now, I think. I just want to show a little bit of what this is all about down here. People gathered on the hillside over here, all set up. Getting ready to enjoy their movie for tonight. Alright, this ball is good. Alright, I think I'll finish off here with a little walk through the water in Fog Plaza. This is a very interesting thing down here I haven't seen working. I'm still on my telephoto lens, but they have these misters going, which are very cool. Down here playing in the water. We'll be out here and the water will come on. Be over here, Mister's going. Not sure how these lights work. But see, this is very cool. The water and Fog Plaza here. Lights changing colors. Very cool effect down here. Like I say, this is the first night I've seen everything sort of going full bore. So, very cool, very cool. Nice thing for kids to come down here and interact with. Really a neat thing. Alright, maybe going on back down there. You just see the movie in the distance through there. Water and Fog Plaza going on. So it's a happening night down here. Very cool thing for the citizens of Scottsdale to be able to have this facility and the city to put on these events for the public. Alrighty, I think I'll end my night here on this. I just want to shoot a little bit of this. Alrighty.